When making any kind of video, planning and preparation are paramount. If you don't know exactly what you're going to do when you switch that camera on, you're going to be lost. So, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a tutorial. Oh, that was a bit metaphysical. Anyway, never mind. Let's press on. First of all, make sure you understand what you are talking about. This may seem stupid, but you really can't make a video about something you know nothing about. If you're doing a tutorial, the chances are you're trying to show us how to do something, so make sure you know how to do it first. If you're showing us how to put up a tent, put up the tent a couple of times before you start filming. If you're showing us how to use a piece of software, never do this. Now, the menu option for this should be here somewhere. Yes, there it is. Now, if you make a mistake, you can edit it out. There's no problem there. But it does mean that the time you save by not doing the proper preparation, you then waste by having to redo scenes, retrace your steps, and later do lots of editing. Break your tutorial down into a small number of easy to follow steps. You don't actually have to say 1, do this, 2, do that, but keep each step separate. Remember that your viewers may want to pause your video after each step, so structure your tutorial to make that easy for them. And for that reason, you should also make sure that everything is in the correct order. You should never have to say any of these lines. I forgot to mention, now, what I should have said earlier on. So, what I forgot to do was, but when you do it, you should do it a completely different way from the way that I just showed you. Write a script. Get the script right before you start filming. Delete from your script everything that your audience doesn't actually need to know. Make sure that you've used all the right words and check your facts. Now, you don't need to learn the script word for word, although you can if you want. But you do need the script, and you need to keep it as a reference. At every stage during shooting, you need to know what you have said, what you are going to say, and oh yes, what you should be saying now. Keep it simple, use as little jargon as necessary, and make sure that your viewers understand the jargon that you do use. Finally, do make sure that all the technical stuff you need is working properly. Check your lights, your camera, your microphones, and also check to make sure that any batteries you need are fully charged, because there's nothing worse than having your